Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Wells Fargo bank to the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start keeping track of your finances on Wells Fargo, but you want to use the NerdWallet app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, click on the three lines on the upper left-hand corner. From here, you're going to click on Financial Info, and then click on Linked Financial Institutions. Next, click on Add Your First Account, and then from here, it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services, so make sure you accept those. Click on Continue as Guest here, and then go ahead and click on the Wells Fargo Bank. Now, keep in mind that it's going to use Plaid to actually go ahead and connect both financial institutions together. Plaid is a secure way to actually go ahead and connect banks together. So from here, it's going to ask you to log into Wells Fargo and check all the boxes or accounts that you want to go ahead and connect to NerdWallet. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Wells Fargo bank to NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.